Introducing Bulk Social Upload from CoSchedule. With this new functionality, you can upload hundreds of social messages to your calendar, either to a new or existing social campaign quickly and easily. To start, simply click the plus sign either on a specific date on your calendar, or if you're unsure of your dates, select the big plus sign. In this example, I will select a specific date. From here, select Upload. Next, select Social Messages. Now, download the CSV template to use to upload your social messages. Let's take a closer look at the template. Please note the columns in the template. CoSchedule will look for these 4 columns in the bulk upload process: text, link, date, and time. Only these columns will be imported. Please read through and follow the notes listed in the template. Dates must be formatted per this listed format. Any other date format will result in a date not being automatically added to a message. However, if this happens, you can fix this during the upload process. As you can see, the dates on my copy of the template are not formatted correctly. Excel can cause this issue due to it automatically converting dates into a different format after opening a file. For this reason, we recommend using Google Sheets when working with CSV files. However, since I already have the template open, I will just reformat the date column now. This process may differ depending on the version of Excel you are using. Just be mindful that this issue can come up with many programs, so double check this and reformat dates as needed. Times must be listed in the 24-hour format, or you can also type in the word BEST. This will schedule messages per CoSchedule's best time functionality. Additionally, links will add a URL to messages. If this is left blank, the messages will default to a text type message. Other cells can also be left blank in the file, for example, time. But you will be alerted of this during the upload process and you will need to fix it. For more information, please go to the listed URL to read our full help doc on this. When your upload file is ready, select Next. From here, you can choose to create a new social campaign or add a campaign to an existing project or piece of content. In this example, I will create a new social campaign. Browse out and select the correct CSV file. In this step, you must select at least one social profile, but you may select multiple. Each profile added will add a new message to your social campaign per row listed in your file. Now you can preview your messages and edit them. Please look out for warning messages that will alert you to issues that must be fixed, like in this example where I left the time blank. You may also want to spot check and edit messages as needed. This is also a good time to remove or add social profiles. When ready, select Create Messages. Now watch as all your messages are created. When the screen is at 100%, select Go to Social Campaign. Once in your social campaign, you can interact with your social messages and other social campaign features like you usually would. Notice the new Upload option can also be found here inside all social campaigns. Just another place you can utilize Bulk Social Upload in CoSchedule. And this is also where you can see a log of upload history. And this is how you can do a bulk social message upload in CoSchedule.